I have the KZ Acoustics ZAS earphone today. I thought of doing a little unboxing video. I couldn't find many videos on YouTube, so a great chance to do a simple unboxing. So there's the logo. It's just a simple black logo, and I bought this on Headphone Zone. If you're based out of India, you know what that is. They have the best brands out there. And no, I've not been paid to do any reviews. This is just a simple unboxing. So let's get started. So this is the basic box. You can see the Knowledge Zenith logo right here. Pretty standard box. It says ZAS. It has a mic in it. And the usuals. Very hard to read, but it has the details. So there it is. That is the ZAS earphone. Looks pretty good. I got the white ones. There's a black model also available. This one here is nothing. It's just a filler. It's a it just says KZ ZAS. It's some kind of branding. And you pull out the earphones. There's the standard user manual, how to connect the 2-pin connectors, the usuals, and then the wire. Looks like they've upgraded the wire. So now if you look at it, this is 8-core silver wire that's been upgraded from the previous versions of the ZA series. A standard connector and a couple of ear tips. Okay, coming to the earphones itself. Nicely packed. So these are hybrid earphones. They look very decent. Transparent shell. There's the dynamic driver and a bunch of balancer drivers crammed into it. So that's a total of 7 balanced armatures and 1 dynamic driver. That's the KZ. Okay, that's it. Just a quick unboxing video. Thank you.